We are all aging. There's no doubt about it. We're not going to stop that aging clock. But I want to make sure that we all feel good as we age. If someone said, Sherry, what is your passion and goal in life? I would just say, I want everybody to feel better. I want to feel better. I want my seniors to feel better. And the more and more I see my seniors coming into the classes, they don't feel that good. They've got aches, they've got pains, they've got injuries, they've got postural issues. So I really set my mind to say, how can I get these people to feel better in their lives? Because when you feel better, your spirit is up. And then you feel like you can go out and do your things, and you can shop, and you go with your grandkids. I know a lot of seniors that complain all the time, this aches and this pain. So I told them, you know what, I'm the only one probably that want to hear about your aches and pains. I totally do, because I learned that. Why is my low back always hurting me? Well, now that I look at you and I see how you're standing and I see how you're sitting, I'll tell you why. So that's the purpose of this workshop. It's all about visually looking at people and looking at their posture and mapping what they say is their pain to what we see in their posture. And then once we see that, then we go, oh, I know what yoga poses will help you get into that area, maybe stretch it, maybe align it, maybe correct it. So that's what this workshop is all about. It's called the Posture Project. I teach to a group of seniors, and you're going to see a lot of them today, and I help all those people who are in my class. Each of you, when you teach, you have a group. Could be 2 people, could be 20 people. You're helping those people. Look at how many people, if we look around the room, how many people are going to be helping right now, you guys, just from this group meeting together. And that's what it's all about. And I just feel that I want to give you so much information and so much knowledge that I have accumulated just by teaching and by being with my seniors. So that's why I have 150 pages. We're going to be doing mat and we're going to be doing chair poses, because that's my goal. I teach gentle yoga on the mat and I teach chair yoga, and a lot of the poses can be done both ways. So if you're more of a mat person, feel free to always go down on the mat and go, how do I do this on the mat, right? Some of them will absolutely be mat classes, but some can be both.